Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 25. Some by meditation behold the self in the self, by the self. Others by the yoga of knowledge, by Sankhya Yoga, and others by Karma Yoga.
ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचित् आत्मानम् आत्मना अन्ये साङ्ख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे.
Chapter 13, Shloka 25. The several paths to self-knowledge are explained. In this shloka, particularly the three paths: A, the path of meditation; B, the path of knowledge; and C, the path of action, that is Karma Yoga, are advised. Spiritual unfoldment cannot take place merely because of intellectual appreciation of the theory of perfection. Therefore, an active, intelligent, and enthusiastic participation of the seeker in controlling, directing, and re-educating his thought life is necessary. The difference between the various seekers is the difference in their mental equanimity and intellectual equipoise. The lesser paths are meant for purifying the inner equipments, and when they become steady and concentrated, when old habits of wrongful imaginations of the intellect are ended, the equipments are ready for higher flights through the path of meditation. Meditation involves in withdrawing by concentration all the sense organs from the sense objects into the mind into the inner intelligence, and then contemplating on the highest. Those who have sufficient detachment from the sense objects and a ready discrimination to distinguish the real from the unreal are fit to do meditation. The self is the subject, and hence the goal is an inward experience of a total subjective rediscovery. For those who lack sufficient steadiness in the mind and the intellect, as their detachment wavers, the remedy is a more intelligent and enthusiastic study of the Shastras. The deep study and reflection provides the seeker with a better understanding of the text, and therefore a deeper conviction of the goal, which in turn helps discover for him a very healthy and steady self-application and a divine equipoise in meditation. For those seekers for whom even study of the Shastra and effective reflections upon it become impossible because of their inward personality is so much poisoned by the existing hosts of sensuous vasanas, selfless activity in a spirit of yagna is prescribed. When the path of action is pursued for a time, the existing vasanas exhaust themselves and more quietude and tranquility are experienced by the seeker, making them fit to study and reflect and finally meditate to reach the highest peaks. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.